So guys, na kami sa trail. Yun nga lang, may problema yung ating TKs. I don't know if it's the TKs or yung ating ano lang, hindi nag-engage yung ating 4-wheel drive. Oh, I think this is like the speed sensor kaya ayaw. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming camp spot. So ang ganda, solid nung view guys, overlooking. And yeah, ayun lang, nagka-problema ulit yung truck. Ayaw mag-engage yung aking 4x4. But yun naman, nakaraos din, nakahanap din ng magandang spot. Tsaka time check, mag-aalaw na pa lang guys, so mahaba pa yung araw namin. So yeah, mag-chill-chill lang kami dito. Medyo mahangin siya guys, pero goods lang. And yeah, see you guys soon. Nakikita nyo lang yun, ang ganda. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa aking YouTube channel. At sa mga di pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo guys. Para makita nyo yung mga lugar na napupuntahan namin, especially dito sa Alberta. Saya. Yun yung kasama ko. Yun yung kasama ko. Matutulog. Ano yan, Jo? Tulog ka? Sarap tulog, oh. Sarap tulog. So, ayun. Merienda muna. Busin na natin ang tinapay. Some bread. It's a nice day outside. So quiet. It's windy though. So we're just gonna spend a night here, and then tomorrow there's a trail just down the road. We're gonna hit that tomorrow, but not 100% sure because I got an issue with my truck. My 4x4 won't engage. Hey guys, just a quick update. Sobrang hangin pa rin guys, lakas ng hangin, sobra. Yun, magluluto na kami ng aming supper, which is supper namin ngayon is pancit canton. After namin kumain, magsiset na kami ng aming mga tent at magpapahinga na. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, Joe? Dumayo pa sa bundok, no? Para kumain lang ng pancit canton. supper namin tonight.
Indomie.
Camp Miguring. Nasaan tayo ngayon, Jo?
Sa Indomie.
Camp Indomie. Ayun, no.
Kahit hanggang bukas na to.
Sheesh. Good morning, guys. Kamusta? Sarap ng tulog. Kakatapos namin magkape. Tsaka pack up na kami. Mukhang uulan. And yun. Pero tatambay pa rin kami dito kahit maulan. Sana namin mag-trail. Kaso di na matutuloy. Baka matuluyan. Hindi matutuloy sa trail, baka matuluyan yung sasakyan, no. Wala, ayaw mag-engage yung aking four-wheel drive. Papa-check ko lang to. Tapos next time try natin. Babawi kami next time. Nagtinapay lang kami ngayon, guys. Pero hindi na siya mahangin. Yun yung maganda ngayon. Hindi na mahangin. Kahapon, putik. Di mo alam kung saan yung direksyon ng hangin ba. Ngayon, medyo kalmado na. Although, medyo gloomy. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Baka abutin tayo ng ulan, men.
Kaya nga. Dali, pumapatak na yan. Mga ambon-ambon. Kaya yun na content. Hirap ba kung naman tayo pumulit?
Sometimes you just have to get away from the noise, the rush, the routine. Out here, every turn is a reminder that life isn't meant to be lived in one place. The road may be rugged, the trails unpredictable, but that's where the beauty is. Every bump, every climb, every muddy tire is a part of the story. There's something about being surrounded by mountains that humbles you, reminds you how small your worries really are. We didn't know what we're looking for exactly, but we knew we had to go. Dito namin naalala na hindi mo kailangan laging may patutunguhan. Minsan, sapat na yung tahimik na paglalakbay, yung ikaw lang, kalikasan, at katahimikan. This is more than an adventure. It's a reset, a reminder that peace isn't found in comfort. It's found in presence. The real adventure, it's not just the place. It's what you discover about yourself along the way. And now we know, we don't escape to forget life, we escape to remember it. Keep going, keep seeking, because somewhere out there in the quiet, you'll remember what matters.